how to make nut butter out of sunflower seeds. Let me show you how I made this. Hi guys, this is JB Rose, Singing Vegan Mum, and this week is a very quick one. How to make nut butter out of sunflower seeds. Let me show you. Now this was made very easy, very simple, very nutritious, and guess what? If you've got a nut allergy, you don't need to worry because it's made out of sunflower seeds. Let me show you how I made this. It's my birthday and I'm going out.
Yes, Luke.
Beyond Burger. Birthday night, roller disco plays, had a Beyond Burger. Yeah, it was disgusting. Note to self, don't do that again. Synthetic, dry, and tasting disgusting! But my birthday was nice. This sunflower seed butter is amazing. It is nutritious and delicious and easy to make. Guys, try this out. I hope you love this week's recipe. I hope you love my adventures for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl. I'm your girl. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. YouTube love it when you comment. See you next time.